Hey folks, welcome back, and I have a good news. AppSumo Day is live, and on this sale we can get the 10% extra discount on all these site-wide products or the tools or the SaaS platforms here. So in this video I'm going to review a really good platform, that is the Roundups, and this is the second time it's back again on the AppSumo, and I must say this is the tool you should not miss out if you have the website and you love the affiliate marketing. So let me show you how this platform works out. So basically the Roundups is automatically going to generate the affiliate articles for you consisting the products or the links you want to cover here. For example, this is the review consisting the best AppSumo deals for your business I have created, and this article is generated within just 1 minute. And look at the review of this draft here. So this is the introduction, this is the topics, and this is the another title is covered, and then all the listings is covered here with the link with the things that is really important and people love to read about and search about on the internet. And in the end I got really good conclusion here. Okay, so this is how this platform looks like, with the images, with the links, with the good layout, introduction, everything is really good in this platform here. And the best part what I like it here, once your article is generated, with a single click you can export on your website, whether it's on the WordPress here. Okay, so you can see here the copy link, or I can even edit it, this one, and right now it in the publish, that's why it is showing the unpublished. When I click here on the unpublished and click back again on the publish, this is going to republished on my WordPress site here. Okay, so let me go to the integrations and you can see it here. I can just connect with the AppSumo, I can connect with the Invito Market, I can connect with the Amazon Associate, and this is with the WordPress too. So I can just publish my articles on the WordPress itself as soon as it will be the ready to publish. Okay, so let me go to its lifetime deal. Starting from the $59, you can get this amazing affiliate tool here. So let me go to the plans and features, and here you can see the how many the articles you can generate every month and what are the other access you can get. So in the $59 you can generate the 10 articles per month here. Then you can see the unlimited words, SEO optimized 50 languages, generate commission, publish to WordPress and the CMS, Amazon product roundup, Amazon, and then we have also the apps more product roundups and all the future updates you are going to see here. So what I suggest, if you have the access, go with the highest tier plan, because here you can just generate the unlimited number of the roundup blog post here. So if you want to check it out the deal, the link will be given in the description. Plus let me tell you, you will also get a 10% extra discount along with this Sumo Day. So right now this platform is only for the 5 days for the back again, including the AppSumo Plus Day. So make sure you get it within the time frame here. Now let me give you detailed demo and the dashboard overview how this platform looks like. So once you got your lifetime deal, this is how the dashboard you are going to log in, and simply we have to click here on the create a new one, and after that you can see the featured sources or the import products. Okay, so these are the two ways you are going to add the products here. So I'm going to go with the featured sources. I have selected here the on the Amazon. You can select your country Amazon variant here. So I have selected the amazon.com. I can also select the AppSumo, Invito Market, or the Roundups here. Okay, so describe the target audience, describe the problem, or enter the keyword. So I will simply enter the keyword here, best vacuum cleaners. Okay, so this is the article I want to generate here. Click here on the next, and here's the beautiful thing going to start or the happen. It will start processing. First it is going to give you the targeting categories like best vacuum cleaner for the pet hairs, the hardwood floors. Okay, so you can select any of these ones. So I will simply go with the hardwood floors. Okay, so I will select this one. Then after that I will click here on the SEO data. Okay, so now it will give me the like monthly search results, the competition here. So I will find something like the low competition. So right now on this one the competition is high, so I will go with the something like the carpets here. Okay, and now let me click here on the SEO data, and let's see something we have the good one. So no, don't. So I will select this one for the floors. I will select it, the carpets and the hardwood floors. I have selected that one, and now I will click here on the next here. Okay, now it will ask me the writing style, the conversation tone, the language, all this stuff here. I can also select the call to action button like the shop now, learn now, the pricing, buy now. Now I will go with the buy now. Simply click here on the next, and now it will show you the products here. Okay, so this is the products. It will show you. You can also search the products here. Okay, there is the no way to searching the product. You can, okay, so you have to select only that way. So I'm going to select like I like this one, I like this one, this one, this one, and in the end I like this one. So I have added the 5 vacuum cleaners in my list that I want to cover in my article. So I have selected that one. Now click here on the continue, and now it will start generating the article around it. Okay, so this is the thing, it will ask you what you want to focus or add on your article, like the topics, key, long form, cost benefits, return on the investment, time saving benefits. Okay, so I want to also select the ease of use, situational benefits, and click here on the next, and now it will start generating the headline and article for you. So I think around the 1 or 2 minutes you will select all this stuff, and boom, your article will be done. So now first I have to select a catchy headline. So I think this one looks really good: 5 carpet friendly vacuum cleaners you need this summer. So let's click here on the next. Okay, and now it will start generating. Okay, so after once your process is started, you have to wait a little bit time. Okay, so once it will done, you will also get a notification on your email that your article is ready. So let's wait a few minutes, and here's the draft you can read out. I got the introduction, topics, then this is the how we choose the best vacuum cleaners. Okay, then our listing is got started, what people say, saves you money, great value, how it will helps you in different situations, saves you time, ease of use, features, built to last, why you will love it, and in the end we got the link here. Same goes with the other listings in the below I can see. So I must say this platform looks really good, works really good, and gives you the good clean layout of the article here. Okay, so once your article is ready, I have already integrated with my WordPress site. So what I can do, I can simply publish it with single click here, and I also got this cover here, so I can edit it here. You can see publish on the roundups, export to the WordPress, or export to the host platform. Okay, so with the single click I can also publish it with the ready to publish article, cover, and the images and the links, everything here. Okay, so this is the power of this platform, and right now you can get the roundups starting from the $59 lifetime deal here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with these kind of the AI tools and the SaaS platforms. Bye bye, take care, and make sure you also get the chance to get the Sumo Day discount on all the tools or the softwares you want to buy from the app Sumo. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.